go. You be aggressive. There you go. There it is.
Hook your leg, roll it. Scramble, take it over your head. Keep rolling. Hips high.
Hips up.
Hips up. Keep. Cradle.
Set him straight to his back. Set on his back.
There you go. Pop your head out. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Stay tight.
Fallon win.
Hold mat 3 for defense. Hold mat 3. The semi-final holding. Mat 3. Wait.
Look,
All other mats.
cradle.
Mat 3 hold.
There's your cradle. Get your leg out. Come over on this. Half of the left. Chop. Drop. Pump. Chop. Now let's tilt him up. Chop. 2-on-1 tilt.
There you go. Go with it.
Let's go. Work it. Go. Let's work. Now pull this side. Work both. Hop over roll. Let's go. Go, go, tilt. Short turn. Hey, let's go. Reversal and back. Get to your feet. Scoot!
Scoot.
Turn your hips down. You'll kick your leg out and you're out. Kick your leg out and you're out. Cradle.
Cradle, knock it up. He's flat.
There it is. Get heavy, that's it. Punch it up, through, son. Right there.
Oh my God. Jesus.
Hey! Push up the knee. There it is.
Oh my God.
Belly down. Right there.
Oh my Jesus. Thank you.